Don't give up. A long time ago, a boy named Rodney lived in a village. He was happy with his family. But one year, the rain stopped. The village faced a big drought. The land became dry, crops died, even the trees and animals started dying. The stream had very little water left. One night, Rodney spoke to the villagers. He said, "I've heard old stories about a river under the ground. Maybe we can dig and find it." The villagers agreed. They started digging together. But after a few days they got tired and gave up. Rodney didn't stop. He said, "I believe we'll find water. I won't give up." He dug every day. At last, he reached deep enough and water came out. The villagers were very happy. Rodney's hard work saved the whole village. He told them, "Never give up too soon. Keep going."